Mint and raisins offer a delightful combination of flavor and health benefits. Mint, with its refreshing taste and aroma, contains menthol, which can aid in digestion and soothe an upset stomach. It is also rich in antioxidants, helping to combat free radicals in the body and promote overall well-being. On the other hand, raisins, dried grapes, are packed with natural sugars and dietary fiber, making them a great source of quick energy and digestive support. They are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including iron and potassium. Together, mint and raisins can make a healthy and tasty addition to your diet, providing a burst of freshness and nutritional goodness. Whether enjoyed on their own or added to salads, desserts, or even savory dishes, this combination can offer both flavor and health benefits to your meals.